black vet boy. Yes, sir. Out in traffic, little poo-poo ride shotgun. Everybody driving like they ain't got no motherfucking sense. Just in the way. Get your slow computing brain having ass out my way. Come on, man. What about me? What the fuck is you doing? What the fuck is you coming over here for? Get out and beat your ass. And put it on YouTube. Never seen a blue cybertruck, guy. Everybody see you, cuz you ain't sleep trying to hide. Leave that man alone. This truck that broke down. Don't be trying to give no ticket, cuz. Get your ass out. We tried to sell something. Might be smashed. I don't know. Look how close he is to them 4-car corner riding on my bumper. Funny head ass. Bring your police ass on. Let me get your tag. Yeah, that's what car he is, y'all. Right here. Let's see what this M3 gonna do since it was the, what is that, an M2? What the fuck is that? We gonna see, guys, what she gonna do. Her little scalp headed ass. We gonna see what she gonna do. I'ma stick it back out when she take off. We stick it at the car. I wanna see what she gonna do, cause she almost killed them folks to get in front. Let's see if she gonna make that jump holler, guys. Let's see what she gonna do. Y'all see her up there. Let's see what a little scalp head ass Damn, John, what's going on back here?
That's an
Damn, John. What they got going? But guys, that's jacked and racked and shacked up there, ain't it? Damn, guy. They the guy next to you. Ride shotgun now, guy. You going to the house, huh? Unless you want to ride some more. You drive.
You go to the house. Which way is it?
This way. Ride shotgun, guy. Yes, get to record in peace. Driveway check. Driveways looking like what's sitting in them joints. Driveway check. Driveway check. Check your driveway, guy. Oh, Yoda guy. Yoda. For bagging out in that Benzo right there. In the cut.